Sometimes the best financial investment is in your mental health. Yes, it is. So here's how therapy saved a friend of mine from a very costly mistake. So a few years ago, she was going through a difficult time and she found herself obsessively shopping online. She justified every purchase with, I deserve this. I work hard. It's on sale, whatever. And in 3 months, she'd spent nearly $8,000 on things she didn't need. So my financial advisor's brain might have kicked in right then and said, this is an emotional spending, but I wasn't her financial advisor. And yet she proceeded to invest a couple $100 in a therapy session. And that one conversation helped her realize she was shopping to fill an emotional need, not because she needed these things. The therapist gave her alternative coping strategies. Call a friend. And she called me a few times instead of borrowing and browsing online. Taking a walk when she felt the urge to shop, and writing in her journal about what she was really feeling when that temptation arose. You see, that $200 session prevented her from continuing that pattern, and she estimated it saved her at least $20,000 over the next year. Plus, she gained emotional tools that served her in the other areas of her life. And that's kind of how it happens in rectifying our financial lives. All other aspects of our life fall into place. So the return on investment of mental health care is impossible to calculate, and it's always worth it. So what's the best money you might have been spending on your well-being? Share in the comments below. I'm 𝘵𝗵𝘁, believing your mental health is your wealth. Yes, it is.